Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can customize your address on Gmail. So this is going to be quick and easy. So let's start. All right. So here I have an email in here. Let's just make it bigger. Now the thing with Gmail actually is you can insert a dot anywhere in your email address here and you will just receive the email just fine. So here I put a dot in here between my name and my last name. So this is going to be helpful if you want to give your email address to someone and it will be easier for them to remember because your name and last name is separated by a dot. But actually, even if they remove this dot right here, you will just receive the email just fine. Another trick is to add a plus sign on your Gmail address. So here, Google will ignore everything that is after the plus sign and before the at sign. So you can add your text after the plus sign here. Mine is just says, "This is still me." So when somebody sends you an email with this one, you will still receive your email just fine. Now, this is helpful if you want to track who you give your emails to. So, for example, you give this email to a certain company, you can just change this with, say, for example, we can say company A, and you will still receive your email just fine. All right, so I made this email here and I am going to send it to myself. Now I have these two here with a dot and one with a plus. So just to show that I would still receive these emails. Now I'm going to press on send. All right, so it is here and it is just the same. All right, so I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.